Hi my loves, it's Han. Welcome to Iconic London's YouTube channel for the first time in 2024. A new year. I cannot wait for all the newness to come out in Iconic London this year. We had so many good products last year. We've got 2 new products launching, so I cannot contain my excitement anymore. I've got them on now. Let's get straight into it. So the first new launch is their Velvet Smooth Pore-Refining Primer. So this is their second primer they've come out with, and you know how much I love the Underglow primer from them. This is more for a glow, and then this one is, oh my god, the packaging is so cute. I just need to show you. I like the fact that you can stand it up as well, so they've made it flat at the bottom so it isn't just like a ball at the bottom. It feels nice and lightweight as well, and I don't really usually like stuff that mattifies my skin, but this is more a blooming pore refining primer. Now you can actually use these two together if you wanted to, so if you want to blur your T-zone and then add the glow in with the original Underglow primer. I'm just going to take a little bit. It's a balmy formula that glides onto skin so beautifully. It doesn't feel heavy or greasy, and it just blends into the skin. It's just beautiful. It doesn't feel heavy, it doesn't feel thick. Can you see what that just did? Like, my pores are completely gone. I'm just gonna do half of my forehead just to show you the difference. And it looks very natural. Like, that just fully blurred everything. It's like an Instagram filter, or like just having a filter on your skin. You can literally see the line where I've put it. My T-zone is mainly where I get the most like texture. I can't believe the difference in between that and that. Has a lot of amazing ingredients in it that are good for your skin. This is enriched with Vitis Vita, if I'm saying that correctly, which helps boost your natural collagen production, leaving the skin plumper looking even if the primer has been removed. Enriched with texture perfecting powders which create that silk texture on the skin. These two go together so well, and I'm going to show you now. The way that's just gliding on top is so beautiful. It's like, it literally is like a filter. My skin just looks softer and blurred, and without that glow you can really see the blurring effect. I've gone in with a shade warm medium just to match my tan. Look at my pores, you can't really see them as much. Oh my god, these two products just work seamlessly together to create a beautiful base. I want to share a little hack with you. This is going to shock you, but you can also use this on top of your makeup, not to take it off or anything, just to add that blurred effect back, because throughout the day, how your makeup wears is different to everybody, but if you do get oily or if you do get like shiny in certain areas, you can use this on top of your makeup and it'll just add that blurred effect back. So I'm going to show you how you can do it, and it does not take your makeup off. I promise you, it doesn't. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop a little bit on my finger, and you only need the tiniest bit of this. So this is designed to use on top of makeup as well. So like for me, I probably put it on here a little bit, and I just tap it on top. So this will just help you use way less powder. So I just want to blur that area. It's always this area I want to blur. So can you see that? It's just blurred it a little bit. So you've still got that natural shine to your skin, but like compared to this one. So I just like to put it here. It just depends on where you get your most texture. I get it really around my nose area mainly, but some people will get it like around the chin and stuff. But this does not pull your makeup off. As you can see, it is so good. I have never known a primer that's been this versatile before. And I'll put a little bit on my chin here, so I'll put it on half my chin here. And all you have to do is take a little bit and just tap it on top. The fact that you can use this on top of makeup is insane. So you can see that's blurred that side, and that was still shiny, and that's blurred. Throughout the day you probably get more shine. Like I get so much more shine like in my T-zone, so I'm just going to put that on there as well. But you can see it's not taking off my makeup. I don't know what magic is in this stuff. You just use your fingertip, and you can see here on my fingers it hasn't taken any makeup off whatsoever. It's almost just acted like a filter again. If you want perfected looking skin, the Velvet Smooth Primer is next level, especially for 2024. This hack's amazing if you don't want to keep layering powdered products on your skin, because the more powder you put on throughout the day, the more chances it can look cakey and thick on the skin. With this, like especially like on your smile lines anyway, when you get any texture or separation, just tap in this, smooth over it instantly and just blur everything. No makeup's come off, none of my blush has come off while doing that. None of my skin tint. I don't understand the magic, I really don't. Next new launch is the multi-use blush, bronze and highlight palette, a cream face palette, and it's the only palette you will ever need. It has 3 bronze shades, light, medium and deep, so there's something for everyone. You can also mix in between them to custom your perfect shade. More of a cool tone look or more of a warm bronzy look. A pink and orange tone blush, which are again staples for anyone's makeup kit. Add a healthy flush to the skin. And then finally a universal champagne highlight, which can be used alone or mixed with the other colours to add a touch of glow, like a glowy blush. You want it more of a peach glow. When we're developing this palette, they wanted to create something super natural and buildable. It's not too overly pigmented, it's not hard to blend out, it is so fine. It doesn't feel like anything on your skin really. It's so thin, but you still get that buildable. Some cream palettes can be over pigmented or hard to blend, but this one has a unique wax blend and vitamin E. The product doesn't dry your skin out and it doesn't cling to anything on the skin, so none of your foundations or anything, and it won't take your foundation off. This cream formula can really blend and build this product up without any fear of any harsh lines. It's really easy to use. It's really lightweight on the skin, like I can't even feel it hardly. It's so natural looking as well. I don't know if you can tell on camera or not. I've used the bronzer on my eyelids today, down my nose. I've used the highlight on my eyes as well, just a little bit of a shimmer. I've used the blush on my nose as per usual as well. Like, you can really multi-use this palette. I've got it on today and it looks so beautiful. It's so lightweight. As you can see, it doesn't look thick or cakey on my skin either. It is just a wash of bronze, a wash of blush, and a wash of highlight, and I've used it on my nose, on my eyes, as well as an eye base. Just think it looks beautiful on the skin. I mean, you can see it for yourself how seamless it looks. There's no harshness to these products. You can really multi-use this palette. And that's the new launches. Velvet Smooth Pore-Refining Primer and the multi-use blush, bronze and highlight palette are available now on their website. So lovely to kick off this year 2024 with 2 new products from Iconic London. Hope you enjoyed this video. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe so you don't miss out on anything Iconic London, and comment any questions you have down below. Bye babes.